A well-maintained furnace keeps your home comfortable and extends its lifespan during winter. Improves energy efficiency. Regular furnace maintenance keeps your system efficient, saving you money on energy bills. Extends the lifespan of your furnace. Extend your furnace's life with regular maintenance that prevents unexpected breakdowns. Ensures safety and prevents hazards. Routine furnace checks ensure safety by preventing gas leaks and carbon monoxide risks. Don't wait for breakdowns. Schedule furnace maintenance to keep your system running smoothly.